Hi, we're still in Ortigas in Emerald Avenue. I'm here with
Rose Ann po. Rose Ann Ensalar.
Rose Ann. And Rose Ann, what do you do for your internship?
Sa accounting department din po.
Got it. And what's your degree in college?
BSA Accountancy, Bachelor of Science in Accountancy.
Got it. And how are you applying your learnings in school dito sa internship mo ngayon?
Yun, nagiging familiar, nagagamit ko siya kasi yung mga napag-aaralan namin, naririnig namin sa office, like ano namin siya, interaction, yes.
Got it. And do you travel also here?
Yes po.
Got it. And what time do you wake up in the morning and how long do you travel?
Usually nagigising ako 5 a.m. Tapos nakakaalis ako sa bahay mga 6 na. Tapos yun, 2 hours yung biyahe ko kasi I'm from Antipolo.
Would you recommend your current internship to others?
Yes. Kasi sa Sea Oil, healthy yung environment, tsaka yung mga mga boss namin. And ginaguide talaga kami. And yung ginagawa namin, actual talaga yung work. Ganon. Yung mga tinuturo nila, kung ano yung ginagawa nila sa work, like binibigyan nila kami ng ideas. Ganon.
Got it. That's it. Thank you so much.